Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to tint your Dodge Challenger. First, ensure your windows are spotless. Use a good glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth for a perfect base. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a sharp utility knife, a squeegee, and your chosen tint film. Finally, carefully measure each window's dimensions to pre-cut your film, allowing for a small overlap for trimming. This preparation is key for a smooth application. Once your windows are clean and film is cut, generously spray a soap and water solution onto the window surface. This solution allows you to slide the film into position. Carefully peel the protective liner from your tint film, exposing the adhesive side. Apply the wet adhesive side directly to the wet window. Take your time to precisely position the film, making sure there are no gaps or overlaps around the edges. With the film in place, use a squeegee to systematically push out all the water and air bubbles from the center outwards. Work slowly and firmly to achieve a smooth finish. Next, carefully trim any excess film around the window's edges using a sharp utility knife, ensuring a clean, factory-like appearance. Finally, gently apply heat with a heat gun to shrink and conform the film, especially around curved areas, for a perfect, lasting bond. After application, it's crucial to allow your new window tint to cure properly. Avoid rolling down your windows for at least 3 days or even up to 5 days to ensure the adhesive fully sets. When cleaning, always use ammonia-free glass cleaners to prevent damage to the film. For a fresh interior, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Proper care will keep your Challenger's tint looking sharp for years to come, enhancing both its style and your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.